Anchor found. Select confirm if green outline is aligned. Select rescan if not. Task 1, Operation, Step 1. Hello and welcome to the Metabo Air Compressor Guide. Step 2. Place the compressor on a flat, stable surface in a dry, frost-free location. Secure it to prevent rolling or tipping. Step 3. What do you want to do with the compressor? Response 1, Operation. Response 2, Disassembly. Response 3, Maintenance.
Response 1.
Step 4. Warning 1. Once it is started to work, the motor of the compressor becomes hot, so do not touch it. Step 5. Warning 2. Next to the main pressure gauge, there is a yellow safety release valve. Step 6. Warning 3. Wear ear mufflers, the compressor generates a loud noise.
Next step.
Step 7. Attach the air hose to the compressor.
Next step.
Step 8. Find the air gun from the tool area. Connect the air gun to the air hose.
Next step.
Step 9. Plug the compressor into a grounded socket with proper voltage.
Next step.
Step 10. Turn on the compressor using the off/auto switch.
Next step.
Step 11. There are two types of pressure gauge on the compressor. The big gauge indicates pressure inside of compressor. Adjust this compressor pressure to the desired level. Do not exceed the maximum pressure for compressor.
Next step.
Step 12. The small gauge indicates the pressure that come out of the compressor. Adjust it to the desired level. Do not exceed the maximum pressure for compressor.
Next step.
Step 13. Compressor is now operational. Success, congratulations. You've successfully completed this guide. Task 3, Disassembly. Step 1. Detach the air gun from the air hose by pulling back the coupling connection.
step.
Step 2. Depressurize the pressure vessel by opening the valve. It is not released, we cannot separate the air hose from the compressor.
Next step.
Step 3. Detach the air hose from the compressor by releasing the quick coupling connection.
Next step.
Step 4. Congratulations. You've successfully completed this guide. Task 2, Maintenance. Step 1. Depressurize the pressure vessel by opening the condensate outlet. It is not released, we cannot separate the air hose from the compressor.
Next step.
Step 2. Release the condensate from the pressure vessel using the water outlet, which is located on the bottom side of the compressor. The compressor collects air, and at the same time, it collects water inside of it. From time to time, it is very useful to check it and release the water from it.
Next step.
Step 3. Store the compressor in a dry, protected location.
Next step.
Success, congratulations. You've successfully completed this guide.